Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss the topic what is holographic data storage. I will discuss elaborately about holographic data storage. So go to the computer screen. Today I will discuss the topic holographic data storage, right? Holographic data storage is a potential technology in the area of high capacity data storage currently dominated by magnetic and conventional optical data storage, right? Magnetic and optical data storage devices rely on individual bits being stored as distinct magnetic or optical changes on the surface of the recording medium, right? Holographic data storage records information throughout the volume of the medium and is capable of recording multiple images in the same area utilizing light at different angles, right? Magnetic and optical data storage records information a bit at a time in a linear fashion. Okay? Holographic data storage is capable of recording and reading millions of bits in parallel, enabling data transfer rates greater than those attained by traditional optical storage. Right? Holographic data storage is a high information storage volume technology that empowers information storage by making holographic pictures of every data instance on a bolstered medium, right? It is also known as three-dimensional storage, right? Now I talk about how the data is recorded within the holographic data storage. Okay. Holographic data storage contains information using an optical interference pattern within a thick photosensitive optical material, right? Light from a single laser beam is divided into two or more separate optical patterns of dark and light pixels, right? By adjusting the reference beam angle, wavelength, or media position, a multitude of holograms, theoretically several thousands, can be stored on a single volume, right? Now I talk about how data is read by the holographic data storage, right? The stored data is read through the pre-production of the same reference beam used to create the hologram, right? The reference beam's light is focused on the photosensitive material, illuminating the appropriate interference pattern. Okay, the light diffracts on the interference pattern and projects the pattern onto a detector, right? The detector is capable of reading the data in parallel over 1 million bits at once, right? Resulting in the fast data transfer rate. Files on the holographic drive can be accessed in less than zero point 0.2 seconds, right? Now I talk about the longevity of the holographic data storage, right? Holographic data storage can provide companies a method to preserve and archive information, right? The right ones read many warm approach to data storage would ensure content security, preventing the information from being overwritten or modified, right? Manufacturers believe this technology can provide safe storage for content without degradation for more than 50 years, far exceeding current data storage option, right? Now I talk about what is holography. Holography is a technique that enables a light field, which is generally the product of a light source scattered off objects, to be recorded and later reconstructed when the original light field is no longer present due to the absence of the original objects, right? The overall process requires coherent light beam splitter, mirror, photographic plate, right? Holographic data storage is a three-dimensional data storage system that can store information at high density inside the crystal or photopolymer, right? Holographic data storage has the potential to become the next generation storage over conventional storage system, right? It is the memory that can store information in form of holographic image, right? It is a technique that can store information at high density inside crystals or photopolymers, right? Holographic storage has the potential to become the next generation of storage media, right? Holographic media is divided into write once and rewritable media, okay? Rewritable holographic storage can be achieved via the photorefractive effect in crystals, right? Now talk about holographic versatile disk, also known as HVD, right? HVD is an optical disk technology still in the research stage, which would hold up to 3.9 terabyte of information, right? It employs a technique known as collinear holography, whereby two lasers, one red and one blue-green, are collimated in a single beam, right? The blue-green laser reads data encoded as laser interference fringes from a holographic layer near the top of the disk, while the red laser is used as the reference beam and to read servo information from a regular CD style aluminum layer near the bottom, right? HVDs have the capacity to hold up to 3.9 TB of information, which is approximately 6,000 times the capacity of a CD-ROM. Okay, 830 times the capacity of the DVD and 160 times the capacity of the single layer Blu-ray disc. Also, about 8 times the capacity of the standard computer hard disk, which size near about 500 GB, right? The HVD has a transfer rate of 1 Gbps. Okay. Now I just provide the comparison between HVD and other storage devices, right? So the parameters, the first parameter is there, initial cost for recordable disk. In case of Blu-ray, it near about cost approximately $18. In case of HD DVD, the cost near about $10, or in case of HVD, approximate $120, right? Next parameter, initial cost for recorder or player. In case of Blu-ray, approximate $2,000. In case of HD DVD, approximate $2,000. But in case of HVD, approximate $3,000. Okay. Initial storage capacity. In case of Blu-ray, 54 GB. In case of HD DVD, 30 GB. And in case of HVD, 300 GB in initial but maximum 3.9 TB. Okay. Next parameter, read write speed. In case of Blu-ray, 36.5 Mbps. In case of HD DVD, 36.5 Mbps. But in case of HVD, 1 Gbps. Okay. Now we talk about the benefits of holographic data storage. Three-dimensional data storage will be able to store more information in a smaller space and offer faster data transfer times, right? Unlike other technologies that record one data bit at a time, holography records and reads more than a million bits of data with a single flash of light. Okay, it enables significantly higher transfer rates than current optical storage devices. Okay, high storage densities and fast transfer rates combined with durable, reliable, low cost media means that holographic data storage is poised to become a compelling choice for next generation storage. Okay, all information can be retrieved from any part of the medium. Okay, if some parts of the medium are damaged, all information can still be obtained from other parts. Okay, Holographic data storage has the major advantage over other storage medium as it relates to like storage capacity, transfer rate and backup. But the main disadvantage of holographic data storage is its cost of ownership. Okay. Now I talk about applications of holographic data storage. The first application, data mining. Data mining is the way toward finding patterns in a lot of information, right? Next application, petaflop computing. A petaflop is 1,000 trillion gliding operations per second. Okay, the quick access in the exceptionally big amount of information given by holographic memory frameworks could be used in petaflop architecture. Okay, and third application, holographic memory can be utilized as expanded DRAM with 10 nanosecond access time, right?
I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye bye.